Hi guys! How you can see here we have our box already cut. There are two pieces that make up the base and two pieces that make up the box on top. Other pieces that also include the file are these that I show you here that go to the sides so that it could be printed in this way by placing a pattern on it. We start by folding all the tabs that the box has along all the lines that the machine should have marked, or if you cut it with a cameo plotter, it must have been perforated. Okay, after having made all the folds very straight, we proceed to glue the tabs. I always started with the base so that it gives me the main structure and more firmness. Then we are going to glue the lid on the front of the box, to which we also fold the tabs and glue it. We are going to be very aware that the edges of the box are well aligned. We can help ourselves with a tool to press the silicone very well. The file includes a frame with rounded shapes and also a smooth one. The files also includes the exact size of the rectangles that fits in the box, and you can cut it on the machine or you can print and cut it by hand. Now is the turn of the base. Always make sure that when you fold the legs, they are very well aligned. You can help yourself with a tool. We're going to be very careful in this part of the base because it has a fold that is made upwards to make a draw, where the paintings will go. The draw is made by folding up the tab that is between the legs, and then we fold the other tab up again. Now we are going to fold the tabs that are to the sides inwards and glue them on the back. In this part, make sure that you glue the small tab behind the long one so that it cannot be seen from the front when it is finished. It will fit perfectly. We are going to continue gluing all the tabs around and thus we close our base. I recommend you make this base with a little thick cardstock. I use the cardstock that comes in size 12 by 12 inch or 220 grams because all the weight of the canvas. Then we are going to put silicone on the bottom of the box and glue it on the top of the base. But pay attention that it must be aligned on the back, not on the part of the draw. There must be even half a centimeter, which is where the paints will fit. So we are going to finish assembling our base box. Come with me to the decorations. In this case, I'm going to place decorations on the part of the lid of the box. Note that I put some tabs on the decorations below, and I opened a small hole the size of the tab on the lid of the box, so that they fit. What I do is put them in there, and then with silicone I'm going to glue them on the inside. This is going to make them stay well fixed on top. This is a little trick that I leave you so you can do this with any box, and in this same way it is also decorated on top of the printers. And we finished decorating. The children will love it. Find the link of this template in the description.